How to make money on Snapchat Spotlight. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about Snapchat Spotlight and how you can use it to earn money. So first things first, let me just come over here and let me just tell you a little bit about Spotlight. So over here, as you can see, this is the newsroom of Snapchat. Over here, they're going to be telling us about Spotlight. So over here, they're introducing Spotlight to shine a light on the most entertaining snaps created by Snapchat community. Basically, it's like TikTok. Ever since TikTok came out and it blew up, other companies and social media applications have been trying to mimic it in a sense. Basically, they're trying to come up with their own version of TikTok. For example, YouTube came out with YouTube Shorts, and exactly the same Snapchat came out with its Spotlight. So it's basically like TikTok. As you can see over here, they're telling us how you can basically create a story. If we click on this right icon over here, we can send that snap to over here on Spotlight over here at top. As I don't know if you guys can see, but I think you can see it. So that's basically it. You just simply make a video and then just simply post it onto your Spotlight. Basically, it's like a highlight of Snapchat. But you're here to make money, and I know you must be thinking how you can make money from just doing that. Well, basically, if we look at this over here, submit your best video snaps to Spotlight for the opportunity to earn a share of more than $1 million that we're distributing to creators every single day. So there's your opportunity right there, guys. So in an effort for Snapchat to, popularize Spotlight, they're basically giving away millions of dollars every single day to creators that reach that milestone. Basically, every day Snapchat looks at creators and they see which creator has the most watch time, has the most likes, comments, and stuff like that, and then they distribute this $1 million depending upon how much watch time that they have and likes and stuff like that. So if you want to use it, you can just simply download Snapchat, and this feature will be available on both of Android and iOS as well. And also another thing to note that Spotlight is available in US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Germany, and France, and many more countries are coming soon. And then down below they updated that. So as of 16th of March, Spotlight is now available to Snapchatters in Brazil, India, and Mexico as well. Now let me just take you over to Spotlight and see how it looks like. And yes, Spotlight is available for the web version of Snapchat. So over here, as you can see, this is the video that is playing over here. It has almost 54,000 views, which means that this person must have earned quite a lot of money depending upon the amount of likes and views that this video has. So in this video, she's in a African jungle and a giraffe is chasing her, which is kind of horrifying, I guess, but I'm glad she did make a video, and I'm sure that she made it out alive so that she can be paid by Snapchat. And right down below, these are some of the next best of Spotlight. So if I click this button over here, we're going to see more videos that are some of the best on Spotlight. So this one has 77,000 views, and if I click down below, this one has almost 1 million views, guys. And if I scroll down below, this one has 111 million views, and it keeps going. So just like that, just come over here on to Spotlight and try to make a video, and then upload a video. Try to make it funny, try to make it original, but make it engaging and entertaining so that people will engage with that video, and so that you will have views and comments and likes, and so that you can get a piece of that $1 million that Snapchat is giving away every single day to its content creators. Now let me just go over here on the guidelines of a little bit and tell you which type of content you should post and which type of you should avoid. So be creative, that's the first thing that you should do. But if you can't do that, please note that avoid copyright infringement. You shouldn't post copyrighted content. You should only post your own original content. Use musics from their licensed library. Don't infringe on the right of others. They promptly remove infringing material. Report it to us by the right shoulders. And also we have don't solicit. Don't attempt to sell or solicit products or services onto Snapchat Spotlight. Basically, if you're found selling other products on Snapchat, then your account is going to get suspended and you will not be able to make another account. Don't submit sponsored or paid for snaps. Brands should check out Snapchat for Business or apply for the brand profit beta. Basically, if you have brand deals and they tell you to post it on your Snapchat, you should go for Snapchat Business and not the regular Snapchat. Don't upload these type of videos onto the Spotlight, because if you do, your account is going to get suspended and banned promptly. And then we have the Spotlight's millions per month. Submit your best video snaps to Spotlight for opportunity to receive a share of millions per month that we're making available to creators, as I said it in the beginning. And then down below, this is the list of country as of right now that Spotlight is available on. So we have Algeria, we have Australia, we have Bahrain, we have Brazil, Canada, Denmark, Egypt, France, Germany, India, Jordan, Kuwait, Libya, Mexico, Morocco, New Zealand, Norway, Oman, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Sweden, United Arabs and United Kingdom, and then finally United States. These were the countries that Snapchat Spotlight is currently available on. If your country was not in this list, then don't worry, Snapchat is trying to add in more countries every single day to get a better reach and to make more content available for their viewers and more opportunities for their creators to earn more money. And then down below they have some of the questions that people have been wondering and asking. So what happens before my snap can reach Spotlight? Basically, content submitted to Spotlight may be moderated before it is shared with the wider Snapchat community. Basically what that means is that if there are some people within Snapchat that basically view your snap before they upload it to Spotlight, basically they try to find any content that is not allowed on the Spotlight, and if they do find it, you cannot upload that video. But if it's all good and they find no content that is harmful for their business, then they allow your video to be posted on Spotlight. Then down below we have another question: how do I report a snap on Spotlight? Basically, if you find a Spotlight or a snap that you made and someone else is trying to make it their own, you can just simply report a snap or story to see your Snapchat. Press or hold it until you see this icon over here, this flag or report snap option appears at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the report snap and then they'll let us know what's going on, and then they'll review that snap, and if you are right, they will take down that snap, and if you are wrong, then they would let it slide and let that person continue to post that video. So if you have any other questions, you can come over here onto support.snapchat.com, and over here you will find a lot of different questions. If I start to go over them one by one, then this video will be very long and it will not be entertaining at all. So make sure you come over to this website to view your answers, and I'm sure that Snapchat has the answers for your question. If I go over here onto the about section of Spotlight, basically over here we can submit a snap to a Spotlight. Basically, we create a snap, we select the Spotlight at the top of send to screen, and then tap this arrow button that Snapchat has, and it will be submitted. You can either save or delete a snap from Spotlight. To delete or save a snap from Spotlight, just tap the settings icon in your profile to open settings, then tap the Spotlight and Snap Map to view the snaps, tap the download button to save the snap memory, or tap the trash icon to delete the snap. And if you want to submit Spotlight for the web, then all you have to do is go to my.snapchat.com on your desktop web browser and then log in with your Snapchat username and password. Drag and drop your video onto the upload area or click choose video, and then just simply click on post Spotlight, and then your video will be posted onto the Spotlight web. As you can see over here, it will be one of these videos right here. So simply, if you want to post it, just simply click on post to Spotlight and choose the video that we want. I'm going to show you how it's basically done. So I have to sign in onto this account, and also the maximum video length should be at least 60 seconds and the minimum resolution should be 540 by 960p. So make sure you're within these bounds to make your video available on Spotlight. And having said that, that is it for this video, guys. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you know someone who is pretty good at Snapchat and wants to make some money, please share this video to that friend or family member so that they can also learn about Spotlight, and then they can also get a piece of that $1 million that Snapchat distributes every single day. And having said that, if you guys did actually enjoy this video, please let me know by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on post notification, guys. And by turning on post notifications, you get notifications every day whenever we upload a video. Basically, we post almost every single day, and we post videos like these about softwares, about applications, or about websites where you can use those applications or websites to grow your business or scale your business or to earn money in general. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.